Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome to Art, Craft and Journals. And I would like to say I hope everybody had a great Christmas wherever you were, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a good time with your family and friends. I've been away for a couple of days. My family, it was my sister-in-law's turn this year, so we all trekked down to her place, which from my place is probably about a 2-hour drive, I think. My partner and I actually decided to stay nearby for a couple of days, just as a little bit of a break as well. Then we didn't have to drive there and drive back in the same day. So that was kind of a nice little break. So I enjoyed that. Now, I have in front of me my first delivery from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, who I will be part of the design team this year, which is very exciting for me as it's my first time being on a design team, but also a little nervous as well. I have seen what some of the other ladies are doing, and I'm just really hoping that I can come up with as many great ideas. So, as I said, this is my first box of goodies. So I haven't opened it. It's actually sat in my craft room for about 5-6 days. And it's just as well that I was away, because I don't know how I would have not opened it prior to that. So I'll just hopefully not slice anything as I'm slicing it. All right, okay, let's just, okay, lots of bubble wrap, always useful as well. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, now we weren't able to choose some things ourselves, so just trying to think what I actually chose now. I'm assuming it was these things here. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have some washi, which is a pink with some doves on it, it looks like. So that's very cute. That's an Aunty Vera washi tape. Just bring that up a little bit. And yep. And I'll just point out I'm actually using a new app on my iPad. Not to film, my camera's the same, but the app controls the camera. So I've had to download a new one, and it's a little different. So if strange things happen, just excuse it. I will get used to it eventually. And I've got some of these Santoro trims in the pinks, blue and the cream. I thought they might be nice. And we have a texture stamp here, which could be useful. It's sort of... I'll just show you that it's got sort of different text on it, and some Prima flowers. And we have, oops, a look here. Everything's well stuck down and sealed too, which is nice, just in case. Some Nuvo crystal drops. Do they have a colour? Gloss Buttermilk. So that's those. And I think this was paint from memory, because, yeah, it was the Dina Wakley. Okay, the Dina Wakley Apricot. Now the reason that I chose all of these colours was because Aunty Vera did actually give us a bit of a clue as to what the papers would be. So when I had a look at them, I sort of thought they're vintagey, so I went with vintage sort of colours. So these are the papers that I've got. Let's have a look. Alrighty, so we have this one here, which has all different vintage photos on, which is nice. And the back, some dots, polka dots, and a flowered one. These ones are Maggie Holmes, and it's the Heritage range by the look of it. Yeah, this one's Generations. This one's Daughter Philly, I think it's called. So that's some flowers, and on the back we have some letters. It says crate paper. Okay, ooh, this one's a nice one. Love that. This one is Keepsake Souvenir Memorial. So if you're into the vintage things, vintage making journals and things, these would be perfect. Beautiful. You've got sort of the images that you could use as well as pages. And they're a nice neutral sort of one with birds on. This one, I don't think it has a name on the back. I think it just has the name on the front. Oh, and we have the little houses. Homestead Proprietary or something. Proprietary, I'm not sure. That's cute as well. And some nice zigzag in the rose colour. And lots of different sentiments on this one. Now this is the back part I'm imagining, because this one's Lifetime Tout un voyage vie, I think it's French. It's a long time since I've done French. So it's a nice wood grain, very neutral. And some of these you could fussy cut out and use as well. Decades. So some little images of some clothing and things. Quite cute. And different grids there. You've got, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the difference. So you've got different grids there. That'd be great for some backings and things. This one's album with the cameras. Some different colours. Nice. Oh, I love this one. Oh, beautiful. Perfect for some little journaling cards and things. And that's gorgeous as well. Perennial. Beautiful. Ooh, actually I'm just thinking blue in that might go quite nicely with that. Lovely. And this one is Portrait with the some cameo heads and some little flowers and things. And that's the other side. Oh, and some stamp ones as well. I love old stamps. I've always loved stamp collecting. Used to collect stamps when I was a lot younger. And I actually almost got sort of sent them to the op shop probably a few years ago, and instead I actually gave them to my brother, who also collected stamps. And not long ago, maybe 6 months ago, he actually gave them back to me and said, look, you might as well have them. I'm never going to do anything with them. Which at the time, I thought, yay, I can now use them. So that was kind of a good thing. Alright, and that's the other side. And this is a pretty one as well. And again, the colours I think will go nicely. So that's the back side of this one. And handwritten. So what have we got? Life is lovely, hugs and kisses, generations. I love this together, you are everything. From the heart, small but important details. Our family tree, photographs, hugs and kisses. Always remember, family, I love this from the heart. And I guess it just repeats itself. Oh, that's a pretty one too. Ooh, and again. Ooh, perfect. That's beautiful. And the family tree. Little challenging to do these family trees now. You'd have to add extra branches off, I think, for second marriages and all that sort of thing that seems to happen now. Yeah, excellent. Okay, so that was my first lot of goodies from our Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. And now my challenge is to work out what I'm going to do. Alright, thank you very much, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.